Today, I'll show you how to connect Printful with eBay, making your e-commerce experience smoother and more efficient. With this integration, you can effortlessly manage your products and sales, saving you time and effort. Let's start by heading over to Printful's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in printful.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the Printful homepage. If you don't already have a Printful account, you'll need to create one. Simply click on the Sign Up button and follow the on-screen instructions. For those who already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After logging into Printful, you'll notice a variety of options on the dashboard. What you want to do next is look for the Choose Platform button. This is your gateway to linking Printful with various e-commerce platforms, including eBay. Click on Choose Platform, and you will be presented with a list of different platforms that can be integrated with Printful. Scroll through the list until you find eBay. The platforms are usually listed alphabetically, so eBay should be easy to locate. Once you find it, click on Connect. Now, you'll be directed to a new page where you'll find an option that says Connect to eBay. Click on this option to initiate the integration process. You'll be prompted to log into your eBay account if you aren't already. Enter your eBay credentials and proceed to log in. After logging in, eBay will request certain permissions to allow Printful to access your account. This is a standard procedure to ensure that the integration can function properly. Review the permissions, and if you're comfortable, go ahead and grant them. This will enable Printful to manage your eBay listings and orders seamlessly. Once you've granted access, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your Printful and eBay accounts are now connected. With the integration complete, you can start managing your products directly from Printful, and any changes you make will automatically update on your eBay store. If you encounter any issues during this process, it might be helpful to check that your eBay account is in good standing and that you have the necessary selling privileges associated with your account. Sometimes, the integration might not work if there are restrictions on your eBay account. In summary, connecting Printful with eBay involves a few straightforward steps: accessing Printful's platform selection, finding and selecting eBay, and then approving the connection through your eBay account. This seamless connection ensures that your product listings are synced and managed efficiently, allowing you to focus on growing your business. I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your Printful and eBay integration. With these two platforms working together, managing your online store becomes a breeze. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out the support sections on both Printful's and eBay's websites. Happy selling!